Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor guest faculty vacancies or also non-teaching vacancies from the 6 different government universities, and all the universities list are mentioned here in this thumbnail. So here the opportunities are there with only post graduations or the undergraduations or the UGC NET, okay, or the PhD. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. Okay, if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the 6 different government universities recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course based. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the 6 different government universities, the first one here we are going to see is the Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University. Okay, so from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the office assistant. Okay, and here the eligibility criteria is at least a second class bachelor's degree in any discipline or equivalent in grade point average, degree or diploma in computer applications or the management systems, 1 to 3 years of experience in the relevant field, and the desirable is the master's degree. The candidate should have proficient knowledge of computers, Microsoft Office or the Excel. A speed test of not less than 35 words per minute through the speed test on computer is mandatory. Experience in accounts and purchasing through GEM and other portals is mandatory. And the emoluments is 31,000 rupees per month will get. Whoever the interested candidates are there, they should reach on 28th December 2021 at morning 9 AM in the School of Biotechnology for the walk-in interview. And if the number of candidates are exceeding, then the written test also will be conducted to sort out the huge number of candidates. For form and the other details, please see the official website, and here the link is also provided, and I will provide all these links in the description box of this video. And coming to the second university is the Dibrugarh University. So from this one, here the walk-in interview is announced on 29th December 2021 at morning 10 o'clock. Okay, so in the conference hall of the Vice Chancellor's office, DU, assistant professor on the contract basis in the Center for Studies in the Geography, Dibrugarh University. And coming to the qualification required here is MA or MS in the Geography with NET or SET. Okay, PhD is not mandatory. Got it? And specialization, the regional planning, and desirable at least 2 years of research experience in the field of specialization. Remuneration you will get as 25,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates having the requisite qualification may appear in the interview with copies of biodata, attested copies of all testimonials and experience certificates, along with the original certificates of qualification for the experience. And the TADA will not be provided, and the registration fee is 200 rupees. Okay. And coming to the third university is the Goa University. So here the assistant professor in women's studies vacancies are there, and the date of walk-in interview is on 28th December 2021 morning 10:30. And while coming to the qualification required is PG post graduation with 55% in the particular discipline. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SET qualification must be there. And out of the 55%, there is a 5% relaxation based upon the caste categories or also some other categories. For that one, you need to check out this application. Got it? And I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. And coming to the next one, Kerala Agricultural University. So from this one here, we got the recruitment notification regarding, applications are invited for the eligible candidates as assistant professor in the following disciplines in the monthly consolidated emoluments of 44,100 at this university. And coming to the disciplines, mathematics, statistics, physics, chemistry and physical education. So coming to the maths, statistics, physics and chemistry, BSc in the particular discipline as well as the MSc, and the NET qualification is required. And the number of posts as well as the tenure of appointment is also mentioned. So even though the non-NET candidates also apply for these positions, So if the net qualified candidates are not available, then the non-net candidates will be selected. That means with only post-graduation also. I mean, if you're having only MSc in these subjects, then you can also apply for these positions, no problem. Okay. And the emolument you are going to get is 44,100 rupees per month you will get. Okay. And the TADA will not be provided for the walk-in interview. And how to apply means here the Google link is provided. You should apply on or before 22nd December 2021 at 5 p.m. Whoever the interested candidates who applied online through the Google form are requested to appear for the walk-in interview in the campus itself on 24th December 2021 morning 9:30. And coming to the next one is the Pondicherry University. Here the walk-in interview for the guest faculty is there on 23rd December 2021. So 2 vacancies are there in the Department of Computer Science. Okay, so tenure is till the last working day of academic year 2021 to 22, and the salary is 1000 rupees per lecture, maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month. Qualification as per the UGC norms. And the essential qualifications: first class master's degree in the appropriate branch of engineering and technology. Preference will be given to the NET or the PhD candidates. Of course, NET or PhD is not mandatory for this one. Okay, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. And next one is from the University of Delhi Institute of Home Economics. Okay, you should fill up the registration form on or before 21st December 2021 night at 10 o'clock, and the registration link is also kept here. Coming to the qualifications: assistant professor in environmental studies, minimum qualification PG in the environmental studies with 50% of marks, and qualified the NET in the particular department. Okay, I mean in the particular subject. Interview schedule will be informed soon, guys. Okay, the candidate should not hold any other teaching assignment and all these things. Interview details will be published on the college website itself. If you're having any clarifications, then here the mail ID is also provided. You can ask your queries to this provided mail ID. Okay, so ultimately these are the 6 different universities that I want to show you guys. So to get the more university notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want